inside, it keeps pulling me in. We fight, will we fall, can we rise?
So today, magluluto tayo ng chicken parmesan. These are the ingredients for this recipe. Chicken wings, salt and pepper, butter, garlic, and grated parmesan. This the garlic, buong bawang, imi-mince lang natin siya. So I'm just using my cutter or ninja cutter. So, okay, ito na yung finished. Para maihalo mo siya ng mabuti sa chicken later. Pepper and salt lang ang ilalagay natin bago natin prituhin.
If she's lucky, a girl like her with Siberian gulag, I like it.
Una, piprituhin mo lang saglit yung ating chicken wings. Ayan, piniprito natin siya muna hanggang maging crispy. So, fry the chicken until maging crispy.
First.
So, eto na yung ating second batch of the chicken wings. Actually, it's not only wings. We also have other parts. Kasi, kinat siya. Yung buong wings, nakat na natin siya. It's our second batch for our chicken parmesan. So, fried chicken in here. Third batch pa tayo. And then, there's another one for the last one. So, yung last batch natin, guys. So, i-melt lang natin yung butter. Saka natin lalagay yung garlic. Once na nag-slight brown na yung garlic, guys, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating crispy chicken. So, ihalo lamang natin ito ng mabuti para malagyan ng bawang yung lahat ng ating chicken. Then we will add our parmesan. Tapos naglagay lang tayo ng chopped parsley. Optional ingredient na lamang po ito. tomatoes for an optional ingredient. Then, ililipat lamang po natin ito sa lalagyan.